down like this. And on practically any surface, it's completely invisible. Okay, so I'm going to hand this over. Okay,
Here's the gun.
all right. So
Okay, let's see you do it.
I'll show you how to use that in a minute. So
Okay.
you're just going to use the gun. Okay.
Push it.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm ready.
Yeah. So remember to hold it straight. So you need to bend your knees a little bit. Right. So hold it. So it's this way. Right. Go.
Okay.
That's it.
If I want
and you
to
can
treat the
stand.
bottom,
If you,
I need
I'm going to show you how to treat the bottom in a minute.
Okay.
With this.
Okay.
So let's do the top. A little bit closer. And smooth. That's good. Keep going. Fantastic. Okay. Now, if we want to do low or high, we have this extension one. So first of all, we turn the battery off, and there's going to be just a little spurt left in the gun. Okay. We're going to pull this up so that the trigger is always pressed now. Okay. And we can release this 5 clicks. Okay. Now we can do the bottom, but what we're going to do is we're going to use the battery to control it. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's right. So have your hand there. Are you right or left?
I'm right.
Okay, so that's that. That's right. So your left hand is going to be on the battery. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm ready.
Okay. Yeah. And then finally, we're going to spray that wall up there. All you're going to do is move this. You're going to keep this. Okay. Remember where your battery is and spray that line up there. You got it.
This is easy.
Yes. That's it. And when you finish with this, you twist it, hold it down, and then pop this back off, and you're ready to go as normal.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Aprehend.